Hey guys, it's the first Wednesday of the month. We're actually going to be doing a Max Express. Be all about short videos, you know, very, you know, right to the point, precise. No malarkey or anything. Nothing that will stress you out. And we're going to show you how to make meatballs. I like meatballs because first Wednesday every month, Max Express Kitchen. So I have my mise en place right here. Parsley, my eggs, onion, breadcrumb, fresh garlic, and my ground beef. I can smell it, so it's probably good. My breadcrumbs are seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, and parmesan cheese. Yeah.
Alright, go.
So I'm just gonna combine these all together. 2 tablespoons of parsley. I'm gonna put in 4 eggs. Like that. A tablespoon of fresh red onion. 2 teaspoons of garlic, fresh. I'm gonna add my breadcrumbs. Gonna mix this all together. Yeah, that's a great sound, guys. So we got our mixture set up, ready to go. We're gonna form and roll. When you know it's ready is when you can form it into a ball and it's not droopy or anything. It like holds well like this. This is a good ball right here. Can't help it. I like the freshness that's coming out of this. I can smell it already. So I got my mixer ready to go. I'm going to start forming. Preferably meatballs are good in 2-ounce sizes, but obviously I don't have a scooper or a scale to do that, so I'm just going to eye it out as best as possible. So just a little mix right here. That's good for 2 ounce, you know. Grab it, roll it in this motion right here, like that. So it's just kind of like that, you know. It doesn't have to be perfectly circular, you know. So I'm gonna repeat this until I'm done with them. It's a short ride today. Seasoning's important. If you have a bland meatball, it's just going to be a ruined dish. I need to feel appreciated. Yes. Go to sleep, little meatball. I'm just finishing up my last ball right here. The next step is getting the pan hot. Before that, you know, I gotta wash my hands real quick. So I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I got my pan hot. I'm gonna drop them in one at a time. You'll hear a guaranteed sizzle. Like that. That's what you're looking for. And we're just browning them. We're just getting a light sear on them. They're not going to be fully cooked. We're going to be throwing them in the crock pot with the sauce that we made. Get that flavor going. Yep. Like that. Flip it over. Oh man, you just have no idea how excited I am for this. Only time I'm happy. It's one of the best moments of my life right here. I never seared meatballs actually in my life. So this is the first time I'm doing it, and I think I'm doing a good job right here. Oh, I might tear, you know? Alright, so as you can tell, these meatballs look great. So I'm going to take them and put them on the plate right here. Let them sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to throw them in my sauce. These cooked for about 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. Just get a nice sear on them. We have a red sauce currently cooking in the crock pot right now, so I'm going to throw these bad Larrys in there. Meatballs are going to be... The meatballs will finish cooking in the sauce. I prefer a scratch sauce, but if you're strapped for time, always go to the jarred sauces. I've had this sauce cooking for about 2 hours. Now we're going to throw the meatballs in to finish cooking. Probably take another hour. One for good measure. We'll come back in about an hour. Stay tuned. Look at that sauce, guys, coming in real nice. I've cooked in here for about an hour. Sauce looks good. Everything looks good. Now it's time to eat. So meatballs in a crock pot with our house-made tomato sauce. Please subscribe to Mac's Kitchen on YouTube.